And tonight, 2 News is going in depth. An Oklahoma death row inmate may avoid execution for a 4th time after his defense team filed a petition containing new evidence in his case. The petition filed on July 1st, and it's the defense team's Hail Mary, so to speak, to prove what they believe is Richard Glossip's innocence. 2 News Oklahoma's Brady Halbleib takes a deeper look into the case with details from this new report. Brady?
Well, Karen, Richard Glossip has been on death row for more than 2 decades after a jury convicted him in a murder for hire plot in 1997. Prosecutors argued Glossip paid Justin Sneed to beat his boss Barry Van Treese to death. Glossip, who has maintained his innocence all these years, now sits on death row waiting his execution date for a 4th time. But his legal team, more than 30 state lawmakers and 24 lawyers working pro bono hours on this case, say a new 300-page report could get him off death row for good.
This was not some kind of bizarre murder for hire plot like the prosecution presented.
Don Knight has been Glossip's attorney since 2015. Glossip was originally put on death row in 1997 and has been scheduled to be executed 3 times, but it continues to be delayed for a variety of reasons. In 2015, Knight and his defense team say they found new witnesses and evidence proving his innocence. It convinced 2 judges on the Court of Criminal Appeals who voted for a hearing, but it wasn't enough to convince the majority. That's when the state scheduled Glossip's 3rd execution date.
He survived that execution because of the wrong drug purchased by the state of Oklahoma. And then a long moratorium began.
During that moratorium, Knight and his defense team got to work, dedicating more than 5,000 hours of pro bono time to try to prove Glossip's innocence. Knight gathered several new witnesses and sent the new evidence to any lawmaker that would listen. It caught the attention of several, including Representative Kevin McDougal.
Even 10% of this is true. We may very well have a guy that's innocent on death row.
Representative McDougal looked at the evidence, and in an attempt to get closer to the truth, he and a few other legislators called for an independent investigation by a law firm in Houston.
They weren't for the prosecutor, they weren't for the defense, and I think that's what really helped them get down to the bottom of a lot of this, and they were able to put together an outstanding document.
The investigation led to a lengthy 340-page report with new evidence Knight says proves Glossip's innocence.
If all of the evidence had been presented to a jury, no reasonable juror would have convicted Rich Glossip in this case.
According to McDougal, the report finds that interview tapes show detectives leading suspects to give answers that he says fits the prosecutor's narrative. They also say Justin Sneed was given a plea deal for pointing the finger at Glossip. It also mentions that the DA's office threw out a box of evidence that could have exonerated Glossip before his 2nd trial.
Richard Glossip has now been behind bars because of the gross misconduct of the DA's office and the investigation.
While Glossip's clemency hearing is set for August 10th, Knight and his team are still waiting to see if their petition will lead to a court hearing.
This is a terrible case, and killing this man without looking at this evidence would be a terrible injustice.
Now, as for what's next, well, it is still up in the air as of this point. I have reached out to the Oklahoma Attorney General's office 4 times in the last week to get their reaction on this latest report, but I have not yet heard back from them. Knight tells me he has reached out to the AG's office, and they say they have acknowledged the evidence and advised the Court of Appeals to not rule until it is reviewed. As of now, Glossip is set to die on September 22nd. Brady Halbleib, 2 News, Oklahoma.